Anytime I have a big harvest of basil, the first thing I do is make basil pesto sauce. So start off by toasting your pine nuts along with the garlic cloves, and you want to drizzle olive oil and mix everything together. Bake it at 350 degrees for 5 minutes until it's a nice brown color. So with the pesto sauce, you can either make pesto pasta, or in this case, I'm making a basil pesto pasta salad. You can either use whole cherry tomatoes or you can cut them in half. In a food processor, add basil along with a tablespoon of lemon juice, kosher salt, black pepper. I like a little bit of kick in mine, so I'm going to use red chili flakes. Give it a nice pop of flavor. I like to add lemon zest from a whole lemon. And then you're going to want to puree this until it's nice and smooth. And I almost forgot to add the toasted pine nuts along with the roasted garlic. In most recipes, they'll add the olive oil during the puree process. However, I like to add mine at the very end. So transfer this into a bowl and then add olive oil. I like to add balsamic vinegar in mine, and I love this brand. Balsamic vinegar gives it a nice sweetness to pesto sauce. Mix everything together so it's nicely combined. Then assemble your salad by adding your cooked pasta. And then I like to add baby mixed greens just to give it freshness to it, along with your cherry tomatoes and mozzarella cheese balls. Mix everything together with the pesto sauce. I like to wear gloves and massage the pesto sauce into the mix. This is super refreshing, amazing on a hot summer day. There are so many different ways in which you can use pesto sauce. You can use it as a marinade in meat or vegetables. You can use it as a spread in a sandwich or on a pizza. The options are endless.